Hey, what's going on? Hey, yo, we're gonna keep it rolling anyway. Today, guys, I'm back with another unboxing. Obviously, the last one was a few months back, but you know, COVID, work, life, and like KFC and stuff, everything gets in the way. So today, we're back. New pair of J's, obviously. They're not the Dior's. These are the Air Jordan 1 Satin Snake Chicago. Boom! Snake skin, actually. I messed up the name. But yeah, let's get them out. Oh. Take them out of the box. Oh yeah, guys, obviously, the Air Jordan 1 Snake Skin Satin Chicago's. Yeah, have a look at these bad boys right here. Well, then again, they are women's only, so bad girls, right? Try grab that detail if you can. Yeah. Oof. So we're not even gonna waste much time because obviously, if you see my previous unboxings, as I said, you know, I'm just trying to showcase the crep. I ain't really like I'm not a reseller or anything, so I'm not no OG sneakerhead. You know, I came in the game a few years ago. So really and truly, we're just gonna lace them up, see how they look with the laces on, and then we're gonna put them on foot. You know, see how they go with the fit, and then yeah, and then we're gonna leave it there for now. But for now, let's go lace them up. So
the lace up, man, forgot. Obviously, I forgot to show you like the laces like I did in the last pair. So if I can just take them out quick. It's
that reflex. So yeah, obviously we've got the white pair, we've got the red pair. I think I'm gonna do. What do you think will work with this? White and then a red? Yeah, I think a white and then a red. Makes sense, doesn't it? Yeah. Obviously, get a zoom in on that satin tongue there. Yeah, that's clean. Obviously, you got standard Jordan leather, the faux snake skin on the heel. Yeah. Clean, man. These shoes, honestly, I don't care what anyone says. These shoes here, they are beautiful. But yeah, let's not waste time. Let's get them laced up.
I can't lie, like if you don't do this, yeah, you ain't a sneakerhead. Yeah, because at the end, the shoes gotta be like the lengths, the laces gotta come out the same way, you know what I'm saying? Everything's just gotta be facing the same way, really. What are you lot saying? Easy jump over jump man yet or not?
Do you guys think like I should do one more? We'll find out at the end, obviously, what I do. Air Jordan stamping right there. See the court purple. The court purples, yeah. You can see I've got it up to there, just about a bit beaten now, but it's alright. I don't know. I think they look cool like this, but I'm not sure yet. I have to try them on and then we'll see. Boom, laced up, ready to go on the foot. So just move this out of the way. How do you think the guys look? How do you think the crepes look with the different color laces? Obviously we've got the red ones on here, white ones on here. To be honest, I'm feeling them, you know, I'm feeling them. Raise it high, yeah? Oh, sorry. It's fine. This video is a short video. The people will see all the flaws and everything. But yeah, let's not waste time. Let's get them on. So yeah, guys, obviously as you can see, laced up, done, on foot, ready to go. You know what I mean? Shoes on. I can't lie, these shoes are looking very clean. I've been needing a red pair of shoes, to be honest, and these came at just the right time. Once again, thank you Offspring for the win, the raffle win. Love the Offspring community. These guys are always looking out for everyone or doing their best to, anyways. But yeah, guys, so this is it for the video. This is me. This is the fit. Guest tee on. You know, sentiments from my father. Cap there. Champion bottoms. If you guys want more fits like this, obviously, if you want the fits on Mondays to return, just drop me a comment in the description. In the comment section. That's the one. I was about to say drop it in the subscription. But that's cool. Yeah. Drop a comment down below. and drop a like, thumbs up, all that good stuff. And obviously, thanks to my guy Sizak, Sizak. Thank you to my guy Aaron for filming, helping me out today. Hold that out there. And yeah, guys. So obviously, this has been the Air Jordan 1 Satin Snake Chicago, and guys, just had a look outside, and sadly, the weather has taken a turn for the worse. And now